Hi there, Tracy here from Crocker's Paint and Wallpaper. Just a bit of an update on the COVID-19 virus scenario situation for us here at Crocker's. Firstly, we'd like to say thank you to everybody who is coming into the store and preparing and getting some paint and doing up some areas. I know that a lot of you have had a lot of things cancelled. Our whole lives have changed currently and you're looking at your home, which is great to see. We want to reassure you that we are open. The question is, are we essential? We think we are, but obviously there are some developing situations and the government are yet to decide which businesses are essential and which businesses are non-essential. So for now, we are functioning like normal. And currently our team are well, we are healthy. We have some hand sanitizers now that will be on the counter, and we have another type of spray which actually kills the virus that we're clearing, using to clean areas and that around the counter and our work areas. We obviously urge you to wash your hands before you leave the store as well, so you're welcome to do that. We have easy access as well. Our parking is right there near our store, so you can hop out of the car, come in and be served reasonably quickly, and then back in the car and off you go. For those people who do not want to come out or are unable to come out or are elderly, we have lifted our service even higher, and we will offer you a contact-free delivery as well for people that are close to our store. I forgot to mention the address is 1/206 Box Road, so that's where you would park and come in if you're coming. So that is available. Give us a call if you want to talk something over the phone. It's 9525 7489. There's the number again. And we'll see what we can do. It's also got a lot to do with the social distancing and everything. That is a little challenging at times, but we acknowledge that that is a requirement that the government have suggested that everybody try to do when they can. We understand that a lot of people are now at home and forced to be home. We've got travel restrictions upon us, and we think it's a fantastic time to have a look around the home. So just think about outside, maybe some timber. It's a really good time to paint as well now. The humidity's dropped, the weather is cooler. We have paint, we have accessories, so we have good stocks and are ready to go in that area as well. If you are coming into the store and you want to browse at some wallpaper, the showroom's upstairs. It's nice and big, so you can sit and stand for however long you like and just look through all the wallpaper books. And if you want to, you can take a couple of books home as well to have a look at them at home. So just to recap, the address here is 1/206 Box Road, Miranda. Our website, www.crockerspaint.com. You can contact us on the email store@crockerspaint.com, and the phone number is 9525 7489. So 3 things: we are healthy, we have stock, and we are open for business, and we're here to help you get your projects done with as little as stress as possible. So we welcome you in store, and we'll keep you updated on the latest as soon as we know information. Thanks. Bye.